Today's project is a costume sword, and it's not a real sword. Looks pretty good. It's pretty much a copy of a Roman short sword. I will say right here, this is not a toy. Don't give it to children. It is a piece of steel. If somebody swings and hits somebody else with it, it's can cause serious injury. And so again, not a toy, but it's good for costumes. It's good for hanging on the wall. Okay, so let's go over how it was constructed. The end here, the end point is about 2 inches long, about 5 centimeters, and the very tip of it is about 1 centimeter, and it just filed off or cut off with a grinder. The blade is 1-inch bar stock, just a soft piece of bar stock. The finish on it was done with a grinder, a rough grinder. Coming back to the hilt is nothing more than a large washer with a 3/4 inch hole in the center of it. The handle back here is a piece of 3/4 inch pipe. It was pushed into the washer and then tack welded in place. And then I set the blade into the hilt and then welded it, tack welded it, got it where I wanted it, and then final welded it. I used the burn through hole closing technique that I have in another video to close the hole off in the washer. And okay, so where are we? So the handle's then done, and the bottom I just put on a 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter piece of 6 millimeter metal, and it's 2 by 2 inch, 6 millimeter, and then we're going to wrap the handle in a piece of natural rope using the whipping technique that you probably learned in Boy Scouts. And when we get that done, I will come back and show that. Here's the handle. I used a jute rope and whatever. I'm not extremely happy with it. I may switch it to leather, but that's what it looks like. Anyway, weekend welding project, a copy of a Roman short sword. Hope you found it interesting.